up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to part 72 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this, build this iconic 1/8 scale diecast car with me, head over to this link all the way along here. There's a clickable version below in the description, and that will take you to the Fanhome website where you can take out a subscription. Be building along with me, folks. So, what are we up to today? We are on kit 72, and we're going to be putting in the rear bulkhead, fuel tubes, part 1 and 2, and you've also got some PS5 and 12 screws to be using, folks, okay? Nice concise instructions there showing what we're going to be doing, where it's going to be going on your Eleanor. So we'll need our floor section, this that we built last time out, so we'll need that, and it shows you where it's going to be going on your Eleanor, and then what you're going to have when you complete today's issue. So it's a nice easy one today, folks. We're just putting the tubes together and then we'll be joining it onto the floor section. Okay, so let's just put this at the back and then we can start. Right, so let's grab our fuel tubes, dry fit them just to see what they look like. And we're going to be using the really tiny PS12 screws on these. Let's bring them into shot. Try and grab one on its own, like so. And then we'll drop that right in the middle, I think. Just start joining that together. Don't need to go too tight, just let it bite. Same again. Little tiny bit of oil on the end. Squeeze the ends together as you do the screw up, just like that. And grab the last of the screws. Same process again. And then we can feed that last one right in at the neck there. Like that. Get rid of any excess oil. So that's the tube assembled. And then we're grabbing it at a slightly jaunty angle. And it's going to be going in here. Now it can only go one way, because if you notice you've got a little key cut out. Just there, see it? A little notch. So this can only go in the one way. You've got a corresponding keyhole shape there. So you just want to rest that in like so. Then grab your screw, which is going to be a PS05. We'll grab that using the screwdriver to pick the screw up. And then we'll drop a bit of oil on the end of that. Just like so. Don't need a lot, just a drop. And then we'll try and hold all of that lot in place as we put our screw in. Like that. And that gives us the fuel hose now going into the tank that comes from the top of the filler cap on the external part of the car. And then we're going to have this piece here as spare. And this is going to form part of the enclosure for the trunk. Okay, folks? So that's where we are at the end of this issue. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, click this link all the way along here. Pop. Clickable version in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic Mustang with me, folks. Also, if you can just click that little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, helps me grow my YouTube channel and keep the content alive. And also, whilst you're there, just ring the bell and select all, and you'll be notified of upcoming video content. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.